Oh yes, hello. Anyway, hello. So, I reorganized my entire room when I was home at Christmas, and I found something that I mustn't have touched for like 5-6 years. So much to the fact that I didn't know where the charger was, so I had to buy one off Amazon in order for me to even see what the hell was on this. So yes, when I was home at Christmas, I found my old DSI. I think it was the first ones you could take pictures with, because then like the 3DS and stuff came out. But look at it. I used to be obsessed with this. I used to play on it all the time. When did these come out? 2008 these came out. So that's like over 10 years ago that these came out. Jesus. Still works and everything. Why can you remember these? What I thought is I'd play some of the games that I have, because that'll be, you know, reminiscent of the past. And also, because they, like, you were able to take pictures on these, I have some cringe ass pictures of when I was young on here. Look at that. Oh, that was 2011, so that must have been 12. 12, my god. Surely that wasn't the last time I used this. 12. And I'm 20 now. Surely that's not right. Surely I haven't used this since. My god. Who did I think I was? Like, what the hell? Oh my god. Snapchat filters before Snapchat filters were even a thing. Oh my god, is that Amy? What's the first picture that I ever took on this? 2009. And I'd clearly just got this hat for Christmas. What else can you do with these things? I think we have to start off with a classic. Nintendogs. I wonder if any of my dogs have died. Like seriously, like if they haven't been fed in 10 plus years, come on. Realistically, they wouldn't have made it. I can also remember having like complete loyalties to all of the dogs that I had. Like, so you always wanted like new dogs. Like you always wanted to buy new ones. And you used to have to like put them in because you only were allowed like 3 in your house, and you had to put like the rest in dog hotel. But then when the dog hotel was full, my god, if you wanted a new one, the guilt pangs that you used to get from having to give them away, because they would like look at you like because you were like giving them up for adoption. They're all still living and breathing like. I don't know who the hell Kate is. Why did I name a dog like semi after myself? You vain bitch child. I feel like we need to buy a dog. Like, let's be for real. We have to. This young female has a very kind personality and always friendly towards people. 530 quid. Your bitch has got 11 grand in the bank on this game. Confirm. Purchase. Thank you. You can wash them. Oh my god, I forgot you can wash them too. Oh, this is a complete riot. This is like... Right, so we have a pug. Come here. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, look at this. This is Wellman. Right, what else can you do? Oh, she seems to have calmed down quite a bit. What should we name it? What's a pug name? Nala? Let's call it Lilo, because your bitch is obsessed with Stitch. Good, because it's time for you to name your puppy by saying it out loud. Daisy! Can you remember yelling this shit in the back of the car trying to name your dog? Jesus. Lilo. She learned her name. You better make a note of it before your puppy forgets. I forgot how fun this game was. Lilo seems to be quite happy that you've given her a name. You're welcome, bitch. You can now take Lilo many places with you. Oh my god, she would take her on a walk. Oh my god, she would bath her. Can you remember when you used to play with her tail and just get really pissed off? Someone looks beautiful. Thank you. Should we take her on a walk? I remember this shit. It used to be able to make them like a route. Oh my god. This game, man. This is ridiculous. Right, what game should we play next? Oh my god, should we play Cucumama? Do you reckon if we followed these recipes like IRL, it would work? Oh my god, this game. The music on these is like so nostalgic. What should we make? A meat pie. That looks about right? Clearly I don't know how to cook meat in a virtual environment. Alright, the last game I'm going to play is one of my all-time faves. Big Brain Academy. I can remember when they came out with a board game for this. Test. Come on then. So apparently my downfall is thinking. Rude. Press start. I wonder if I'll be any better than normal. Result is a C+. Although I've got worse as I've got older. Well, that was a wonderful old time. I might actually take this when I go on the plane to Florida. Cause like, come on. This is just entertainment wrapped up for you for hours. Anyway, thanks for watching. Can anyone remember when your like dad used to get you like those really dodgy cards that like had like 100 odd games on them and half of them never even worked? Those were the days. Bye.